Hey there, Ride the Car Guy here, back with another Chrysler 300 video, and today we are removing the rear bumper. If you saw my front bumper removal video for this car, then it's going to be pretty similar. So we're going to be working with the standard body clips as well as bolts into the actual car, to where once we remove those, it should just kind of pop off with a row of clips along the top edge, and then it just comes off the car. So let's jump right in and start pulling this off. You can start by removing this splash guard. You have 3 up front and 1 down below. Once that's off, just set that aside, go do the other one, and then just follow along the entire edge of the bumper and take out all of these body clips. Next, on the inside of your wheel well at the very top, you're gonna see a seam, and if you get a little pry bar in there, you're gonna reveal a hidden bolt. And that is a 10mm bolt that needs to be removed. It's right there. So once you pull back your wheel well cover, and inside you'll see that bolt. And remember, this is going to be on both sides. Next, there's a 10mm bolt underneath where the splash guard was. Remove that on both sides. Next, there's going to be 4 8mm bolts that need to be taken out. Once those are out, we're ready to start peeling the bumper off. Before you start pulling off the bumper, make sure you have something soft on the ground, like in this case I have cardboard, so that way when you take it off, you're able to set it down on something that isn't concrete. Next, we want to start from one side and start pulling off these clips. So what you're going to find is that every probably 2 to 3 inches is a small clip that holds this entire edge on, going all the way around the car. So just very slowly, very gently, start prying that away and go all the way around the edge. Once it's fully disconnected, just set it directly onto the surface, because we have electrical, so don't just pull it away from the car. You don't want to put any strain on these parking sensor electrical wires. Now there's only one connector for all of the sensors, so we just want to push this back here and then push down, and that'll pop right out. Now that it's removed, take it wherever you need it. So that's it, a pretty straightforward process. Just a few bolts and body clips, and this sucker comes right off. If you have any questions, be sure to put them in the comments below. And if you want more awesome content like this, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.